The family of a man killed by a Bullitt County Sheriff's deputy says he was shot in the head while trying to run away.
WDRB's Travis Ragsdale explains how the family's story is very different from what police say happened.
A lawsuit claims Eric Kessler was shot twice, once in the back of the head and once in the spine.
Some type of altercation occurred, shots were fired, and unfortunately suspect lost their life.
That was the official word from Kentucky State Police about what happened back in January. Attorney Zach McKee has a very different version of events.
He has his hands up in the air. He tells them, please don't shoot. Please don't shoot me.
McKee is representing the family of Eric Kessler. According to the lawsuit filed this week, Kessler was shot and killed by Bullitt County Sheriff's Deputy Nick Hibbs while he was trying to drive away from deputies.
We believe that he was in park, that he had his foot on the brake, but his car was in park.
He says deputies showed up and started banging on his window while Kessler was still asleep in the car.
That's when Eric begins to wake up. He bumps into the vehicle that was parked behind his. Hibbs then gets back onto the road, lines himself up behind him, and he begins shooting. And he literally shoots him in the back of his head and in his spine.
According to police, Kessler ran over a deputy's foot. McKee denies that. Was Mr. Kessler armed when this happened?
I do not know. We do not have any information that says that he was, but I can say that there was no weapon brandished. I can tell you that.
McKee instead says Kessler was trying to drive away when he was killed. Body camera footage does exist, McKee says, but has not been released as police are still investigating.
I think what we definitely need to see is the body cam footage. His young daughter is suffering and has suffered. She's asking for daddy. The child's first words is always dad, dad.
We reached out to the sheriff's office for comment and for the status of that deputy that fired his weapon, but have not heard back. Travis Ragsdale, WDRB News.